The iSiLER 1800W Sensor Touch Electric Induction Cooktop is a portable countertop burner that utilizes induction heating technology. Here are some key features of this cooktop. 1. Power and temperature settings. It offers 18 power levels and 17 temperature settings, allowing you to adjust the heat according to your cooking needs. This versatility provides precise control over the cooking process. 2. Induction heating. Induction cooktops use electromagnetic fields to directly heat the cookware placed on top of them. This method ensures quick and efficient heating while maintaining precise temperature control. 3. Sensor touch control. The cooktop is equipped with sensor touch controls, which provide easy operation and make it convenient to adjust the settings with a simple touch of your finger. 4. Safety features. The iSiLER induction cooktop comes with a built-in safety lock to prevent accidental activation, especially in households with children. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind during cooking. 5. Timer function. The cooktop includes a timer function that allows you to set a specific cooking time. Once the timer reaches the designated time, the cooktop will automatically shut off, ensuring your food doesn't overcook. 6. Portable and compact. This cooktop is designed to be portable and lightweight, making it easy to move around or store when not in use. It's a great option for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or as an additional cooking surface during gatherings or camping trips. When using this cooktop, keep in mind that it requires compatible induction-ready cookware. Induction cookware is typically made of materials such as stainless steel or cast iron that are magnetic and can interact with the magnetic field generated by the cooktop. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines for proper usage and maintenance of the iSiLER 1800W Sensor Touch Electric Induction Cooktop.